What is going on, guys? Lionheart here, and today I'm going to show you how to change your old headlights on a 2000 to 2005 Chevrolet Impala. So as you can see, my headlights are really destroyed. Here are the new ones. Brand new. Bought them on Amazon. I'll have links in the description. So you're going to want to start by pulling this clip out right here. I already have mine pre-pulled out, so it's kind of hard to get out at first. And there's one on the other side, but I got that pulled out too. It's right here. And next, you're going to want to pull up on these white things. They come out really easy. And you got to lift this up. There's one under here. So it's basically all ready to come out. Now I'm going to put the new one in. You're going to want to make sure you get it really snug. You want this rubber to be behind. Can't really get this side behind, but I don't think it was behind anyways. Here, as you see here, even the original isn't behind, so that's probably good. Now we got to put the clips back in and we'll be good. There you have it. Really easy fix. And the headlights look amazing. So there you have it, guys. I went from this to this.
Wasted. My